Now we will be doing questions on time and distance. We'll be doing question on time and distance. So the question is, two planes start from a city and fly in opposite direction. One averaging a speed of, so one is flying at a speed of, there are two planes, one is flying at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour, greater than the second plane. Okay, if they are 3400 kilometer apart, after 5 hours, okay, find their average speed. So you are asked average speed, so we will start with that. Let average speed of which one? Let the average speed of second plane be x kilometer per hour. So what is the average speed of first plane? Average speed of first plane, how much is it? X plus 40, it is greater than 40 kilometer per hour, greater than the second plane. So second plane is x, so first plane is x plus 40 kilometer per hour it became, right? Now if they are 3400 kilometer apart after 5 hours, right? So distance which is traveled by the first plane in 5 hours we need to take out, right? Because they are 3400 kilometers apart after 5 hours. So in 5 hours who have reached how much, right? So we will do a small diagram over here at the end of the question. We'll do a small diagram over here. So I'm just leaving it, okay? Distance covered by first plane in 5 hours is equal to speed into time. What is the speed? X kilometer per hour multiplied by time. Time is 5 hours, right? Kilometer per hour, and this hour will cut down because kilometer per hour means kilometer by hour, hour cut down. So this is 5x kilometer, okay, which is the distance traveled by the first plane, okay? And then the distance traveled by the distance covered by second plane in 5 hours is equal to, again, speed multiplied by time, which is equal to, the speed is x plus 40, am I correct? Right? Kilometer per hour. And again the timing is 5 hour. So hour cut, correct? So this value is x plus 40 into 5. So 5 into x plus 40 is the value. This is kilometer. Okay, so if they are 3400 kilometer apart after 5 hours, right, and they are living in different directions, right, means what happened, I told you na, from one point only they are traveling na, but in the opposite direction. So one plane flew over here, the other plane flew over here, plane B, plane A. So after 5 years there, this distance is 3400 kilometer. So the distance traveled by both of them, if we add, so that will be 3400 kilometer. So distance traveled, so we need to write this statement by first plane plus distance traveled by second plane is equal to 3400 kilometer. So which implies that, what is the distance traveled by the first plane? 5x. So 5x plus distance traveled by the second plane is this 5 into x plus 40 is equal to 3400, right? All are in kilometer, 5x kilometer, kilometer, kilometer. Okay, so 5x plus 5 into x is 5x plus 5 4s are 20, means 200 is equal to 3400. We'll be doing transposition, 5x plus 5x will stay here. We'll be doing transposition of 200 since this is a constant and should be on the right hand side, means with 3400. 5x plus 5x gives you 10x is equal to 3400 minus 200. So this gives you 3200. So I'm just writing, finishing it over here. 10x is equal to 3200. Again, this is a, x is equal to b, so x equal to b by a, 3200 by 10. This is equal to gone. This is equal to 320. X is equal to 320. So the speed of the second plane is 320 kilometer per hour. Okay, and what is the speed of the second plane? Sorry, first plane. X plus 40 means 320 plus 40 means 360 kilometer per hour. Understood? This is the value, 360 kilometer per hour. Okay. So the question is, if a scooterist drives at rate of 24 kilometer per hour, okay, he reaches his destination 5 minutes late. And if he drives at 30 kilometer per hour, so two kind of speeds he is getting, right? 30 kilometer per, he reaches his destination four minutes earlier. Find how far is his destination. Find how far is his destination. Okay, this question might come for 3 marks minimum. Okay, so the question is saying that they're asking that how far is the destination. So we'll start with that only, and we will say that let the destination be x kilometer per hour. Okay, so if he is driving at the rate of 24 kilometer per hour na, so the time taken by him will be, since the destination is x kilometer, means the distance is x, so riding at the rate of 24 kilometer 24 kilometer per hour, time taken is how much? Is equal to distance by speed. What is your distance? X, and the speed is 24. I'm sorry, this should not be x kilometer per hour, but because let the destination be x kilometer, this is distance. Distance cannot be in x kilometer per hour. It has to be in kilometer only. So x kilometer, and here it is kilometer per hour. This hour will go up. So this is x by 24 hour. Okay, understood this? Okay. Now, if he is okay, what is said over here, if he is driving at 24 minutes per hour, he reaches his destination 5 minutes late. Okay, 5 minutes late. So he is there 5 minutes late. What is the correct timing? Correct timing is x by 24 is the ideal time, right? At the rate 24, x is the ideal time, minus he reaches 5 minutes late. 5 minutes means 5 by 60, it will come into hours. Okay, again, if he is riding at 30 kilometer per hour, okay, so the time taken is distance by speed means distance by this. So this is x by 30 hour. Again, what is the correct timing? Here if he rides at 30 kilometer per hour, he reaches his destination 4 minutes earlier. So what is the correct timing? Means 4 minutes earlier only na. So you need to add 4 minutes over there. So x by 30 is the timing plus 4 by 60. This is the original timing, right? Correct? So now it means that if we are adding both of them, right? Because these two timings are same, na? These two timings are same. Okay? So therefore x by 30 plus 4 by 60 is equal to x by 24 minus 5 by 60. So x by 30, x all on x on one side, so x by 30 plus x will become minus x by 24. This is minus 5 by 60, and this will become minus 4 by 60. Okay, so 30 and 24, what should be the LCM? LCM is 120. 120 divided by 30 gives you 4 into x is 4x, minus 120 divided by 24 gives you 5 into x is 5x, is equal to 60, LCM is 60 only, minus 5 minus 4, right? So this value will be 4x minus 5x is minus x by 120 is equal to minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9 by 60. Minus is gone. 62 times 120, which implies that x by 2 is equal to 9, which implies that x equal to 18 kilometer. So your distance is 18 kilometer. That's all you were asked over here, and this is the answer. Your distance is this is what they are asking here. Destination is 18 kilometer, and this is the answer. Okay, this one.